All right, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jared from Jared Boas Photography. This is kind of an impromptu video because I wasn't planning on doing another one till my Death Valley trip in January, but a winter storm is moving through the Sierra Nevada mountains, and I live in Northern California, so me and my friend Alex are going to go try and catch it in Yosemite and kind of see what we get. Hoping for some fall color and snow kind of mixed together, but who knows. I drive a Subaru, so I have all-wheel drive and all-terrain tires, and that was Alex texting me just now. So yeah, should be able to do okay with the snow. Right now it's not too bad, so it'll be a bit of a dynamic situation, but yeah, we'll kind of see what we find out there, and thanks for following along. Yeah, you gotta do that. All right, so we made it into the valley finally. We were going up one of the roads, and we kept checking conditions. And when we got there, it was closed. So we had to kind of backtrack, added an extra 2 hours onto the drive, but that's okay. We're here now, and man, it's like a fall winter wonderland. It's beautiful out here. So yeah, we're gonna hike around the valley, see what kind of cool compositions we can find. We'll see. The snow's melting a little bit out of the trees, as you can probably tell. And yeah, we're just gonna poke around here a little while. All right. All right, we got a few shots under our belt. We're gonna go move locations, try and grab some food, and kind of see what else the day has for us. But it's a really beautiful day here. Excited to keep going and poking around. Man, I was always hoping to get conditions like this sometime. Snow on some fall color, fall leaf color change or whatever, and it is delivering right now. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. just got some lunch. We're walking back to where we parked, and yeah, we're gonna kind of hike around the valley for a little bit. Ran into a couple photographers that I follow on the social medias, so that was super cool. Guys that have incredible work, so that was really rad. But yeah, we're gonna kind of keep walking. I'm gonna go grab my tripod because I don't have it with me at the moment, and yeah, kind of see what else I can find here today. But it is a lovely day here. Thanks for following along. Alright, my glasses are covered in water. The trees are raining ice rain upon us since the sun's making the snow melt. Yeah, I'm trying to get some real tight, close-in compositions. I have my 100 to 500 on me, and yeah, that's kind of the idea. So hopefully some of these turn out. We'll kind of see. But man, boy, I keep saying what a day and stuff, but just incredible. I was really hoping to get conditions like these, and by golly, we got them. Alright, shooting along the riverbank here, and got some really cool compositions, I think. Found a lot of abstracts. There's a lot of fall, or a lot of leaves that have fallen in the snow. So I've been doing some like kind of small scene abstract stuff with that. I found some frozen reeds that I did a few compositions with. So I'm actually pretty stoked about those. Yeah, I think those will turn out. But yeah, I haven't been able to film as much today just because it's been pretty quick shooting today. Been driving around, shooting, getting food. It's been a quick day, and then we're gonna head back to Northern California here in a couple hours when sunset is all done and we're done shooting. So yeah, thanks for following along, and hopefully you enjoy the photos and all that stuff. I'm gonna stick around here a little bit longer and hopefully find some more stuff. So yeah. All right, we're gonna head on back to our car. Maybe poke around the valley a little bit longer. Gonna see what else is out there. The light's getting really nice right now, so we'll have to kind of see what else we find. But got some pretty good compositions, I think. Yeah, really nice day. Chilly, but pretty sweet. I'll tell you what. So we're gonna head on back to the car and drive around and see what else we find. I don't know if this is the end of the video or not. So if it is, thanks for watching. But hopefully not. All right, I think it's probably gonna do it for the trip. It was a pretty short trip. It was really quick. We found out that the snowstorm was coming in, I think like 2 days ago. So we called an audible and we decided to come down here. And honestly, I think it was worth it. It's gorgeous down here, and I think I came away with some pretty good compositions. So I'm looking forward to getting those back home and process and all that and showing you guys. So yeah, if you like the video, please hit the like button. That helps me the most. Comment or leave a comment if you'd like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.